very well known. So if you're a tech-savvy problem solver and you're looking for a remote job with a world-renowned company, look no further because you can be an Apple home care specialist. Now there's a lot of different names that they go by. In this particular case, we're gonna be talking about Apple Home Advisors. Now this one had super positive reviews online. People absolutely love working for Apple. And basically what you're gonna be doing here is you're gonna be working remotely in order to assist customers with issues that they have with Apple products. So you're gonna be kind of like the emergency medical responders of the tech world, swooping in to save the day if an iPhone is on the fritz. And Apple is always hiring. Now, according to Glassdoor, Apple at-home advisors make about $37,000 a year, and reportedly they have amazing benefits. So some of the pros here are, of course, you're gonna have remote work. There is extensive training, which is a good thing, and you get a chance to work with a world-renowned company, which is gonna look great on your resume. Some of the cons here is, of course, you're gonna have to deal with frustrated customers, and you might have to work odd hours in order to accommodate international customers as well. Oh, and it's probably a good thing to be relatively familiar with Apple products. And there is a lot of Apple products these days. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised to see an Apple House one of these days. This one I'm gonna give an opportunity score of 8 out of 10 because of the fact that it's a really prestigious company, they're always hiring, and it's relatively easy to get into. Now, the next one on the list is going